the vehicle. Officer located the vehicle and detained the two passengers. The defendant was the driver of the vehicle. 3 shell casings were found in a clear cup in the front passenger door. Officers found a clear plastic bag containing marijuana in between the console and the front passenger seat. Witness stated that they heard a sound of a firearm discharged twice coming from a park located across from her residence. The witness saw the defendant standing outside of his vehicle to then get in the passenger side of the vehicle and go to another location. Witness followed them to another location to view the defendant exit the vehicle. Witness captured the video of the vehicle leaving to a nearby trailer, and the vehicle then returned. Witness viewed the defendant exit the side, looked down and pick up what she believed to be shell casings from the shooting. Defendant then entered the passenger seat of the vehicle and left the location again. Witness observed video footage from security cameras where he heard gunshots and showed the defendant leaving and returning to the area of shooting, along with defendant looking around in the ground.
So there's video of him actually shooting.
Yes,
Mr. Luna, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, including marijuana. You're also not to be in possession of any weapons. If I find that you do either, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand? This is not a revolving door. You endanger my city. I'm going to put you in jail and I'm going to make your bond high. Do you understand? How old are you, sir?
17.
We will appoint you a lawyer today, but understand, I don't care how old you are. I don't care what color you are. You have a weapon, you use alcohol or marijuana. Do you understand me? All right, I'm going to have you sign a reset and then I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box.
All right, Judge, bottom of 13, Martina.
Oh, there you are. Hey, Ricardo. What's up, buddy? Yeah. Good to see you. It's been a while. Miss Martina, good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Okay.
On May 6th in Harris County, officer dispatched in reference to a family disturbance. The officer made contact with the defendant and observed bloodshot eyes and strong odor of alcoholic beverage. The complaining witness, the defendant's mother-in-law, stated that the defendant and the complainant's son were drinking when they began arguing. The defendant said she intended to leave the location with her daughter. The complainant told the defendant not to take the child, but the defendant refused. The complainant attempted to remove the child when the defendant struck her on her right arm with a closed fist, causing pain and discomfort. Officer observed the complainant to have swelling on her arm.
Okay. Do we know whether she wants to have contact with her or
I
not?
don't believe we do, Judge. We haven't done a recall it.
Okay.
If I may, very briefly, I've spoken to the CW. She wants no protective order. She's not in any kind of fear. She has been speaking to her. She's come over to my client's house to basically make peace and give each other hugs or whatnot. So my understanding, she wants to.
Great. I want them to verify it first, though. Until we do that, Ms. Martina, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I am going to issue what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection that identifies Ms. Benitez as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate or threat or harass behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. I am also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and you will be tested. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. This is not a revolving door. If I have to put you in jail, I will make your bond high. Do you understand? Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Ricardo. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you because you're playing games, then likewise, I will revoke your bond. For now, we will have you sign all the conditions and orders. It may change later on if they're able to get a hold of her, but at that point, and until we change the orders, no contact, no weapons, no alcohol or illegal drugs, including marijuana. Do you understand? Okay, come on. Thanks, Ricardo.
That's it for now, Judge.
Wonderful. Herman, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Come on up.
Mr. Rodriguez, I think we have to set the file.
Okay. So no PTI?
It's not locked into you.
It's not, okay.
Obviously.
Where is Mr. Rodriguez here now?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Mr. Rodriguez.
coming up, Mr. Rodriguez. So This is his, what I'm gonna tell him now is this is the
We told him the same.
final, at this point, if we set it, he will go to trial. I will not accept any more plea bargain agreements after this day.
If, and this is an if, in capital letters, if they open tier one, and we'll talk, we heard talk about tier one opening in late May, early June.
I'm not, no.
But let me, I don't know if you know tier one, they dismiss it on the front end. Okay, so would you be amenable, if it opens, we're gonna set it.
What do you mean they dismiss it on the front end?
He doesn't have to do anything, they just, once you enter tier one, the case is dismissed.
I mean, if they dismiss it, they dismiss it,
Okay,
but if
yeah.
you set it for trial,
Yes,
so what offers do you have on the case
it's a
now?
PTI off, tier two.
Got it. So your case is 201 days old. We set cases for trial at 180 days. I'm not in the business of just continuing to delay. No. If you want to set it for trial, wonderful. I'm happy to do it, but I'm not going to accept any more plea bargain agreements after this time. We're not going to set it for trial. You get here, we get a jury here, and then, okay, well, now I want to plead guilty. It's not going to happen. If we set it, you will go to trial. If they dismiss it, that's on them. I don't care. But if you set it, you will go to trial, kicking or screaming. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I don't want you to make a decision now. I'll have you talk to Herman.
We've talked, and she's talked to my staff, we're comfortable going forward.
Okay, so we'll give you a trial date, 30 days.
Sure.
You got to be here on the day of trial unless they dismiss it, and we'll go from there.
Very good. Thank
Okay,
you.
all right, please.
Thank you.
Do me, I got two other cases if you don't mind. Next one, Judge, I don't think they have PC on Ventura. If we could read it, if you can determine if they have PC or not.
Well, I've already said it let me see if I've done PC. If I've done PC, then I've already done it.
We'll get here again, potentially. I wasn't here for that one before, for his arraignment, Judge. After.
Okay, go for it.
On March 8th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer was dispatched to a traffic hazard call at 9900 Central Parkway. Officer stated that defendant was the sole occupant of the vehicle and asleep behind the wheel. The vehicle was in a moving lane of traffic, and officer observed defendant to have bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and vomit on his shirt. Defendant admitted to coming to his cousin's house and driving home. Standard field sobriety perfected 6/6 HDN, 2 out of 8 walking turns, 2 out of 4 one-leg stand. DIC was read and defendant provided a breath sample. Results were 0.149 and 0.142. Officer recovered a firearm from the glove compartment of the vehicle and 2 magazines in the center console.
You know, something was missing, Judge. The car was off, pulled to the touch, no indications of furtherance. They don't know when, if he was operating the vehicle. There's
He's
no
in a
indi-
moving lane of traffic.
But the car was off, the key was in his lap. We don't know if someone else drove there.
But
Your Honor,
that's,
he also admitted to driving.
I think that, clearly there's enough for PC. Perhaps maybe not beyond a reasonable doubt, but for PC purposes, I think that there's enough.
If I park my car in the street and vomit and I don't, that's not operation.
You're in a moving lane of traffic. You're by yourself. You've sleeping, you've got vomit on you. They come to you and I think that there's enough for PC.
Okay,
Yeah. So we'll just give you a reset.
sure.
Okay.
Next one is Shangola.
SH?
CH.
Page 4.
Oh, page 4. Okay,
Just needed some guidance from the court. They have indicated that they will not have field sobriety tests video. They don't have them videotaped, or they had it, or they lost it. Yeah, they're not.
is this your, I think, Sean, this is your case.
Yeah.
Let's talk.
So understanding that the station video we never got, which is where the SFSC were performed.
Was anything done on the scene?
Besides an interview of the defendant outside the car, that's about it. So we're setting it for an eval to see how we're going to proceed with the trial case or not.
Okay,
So the proper eval, talk to my client, Judge, is it your opinion that if they don't have a station, a video of them doing the field sobriety test, what is the court's position?
well, they have it, but it's at the station.
No,
No, there's no SFS.
they did
I
it,
thought you said there were SFSTs done at the station.
We don't have the video of them. Apparently they were done, but we don't have the video.
It's pretty weird.
Maybe.
Why?
Not sure.
What would you like me to do?
well, they shouldn't be, well, the statute requires that my client be entitled to a video of his field sobriety test. Okay, you know,
I'd like to just know what statute is referred to, so we can make
Sure.
sure.
yeah, I'll find it, I mean, once there's video made, he's entitled to a copy of that.
Sure. But if a video was never made, then it was
The
never
video
made.
was made, they're saying it was made, but somehow they don't know what happened. And I'm not saying it was, obviously it was in the DA's office, but they made a video,
So what would you have me do?
not allowed.
What's the recourse?
Well, I'm not allowed, well, that's what I'm trying to get.
Sure.
I don't think it's unfair to say that then they cannot discuss the field sobriety test. What occurred on the field sobriety test, if my client's entitled to a video of that, remember we used to go to the DFL?
Sure, of course. No. I understand what your response.
So right now, all we know is that there was testing done at Bear Creek. We don't know if there was a video or not of the SFSTs.
So let's do this. Let's set up for a week because it's already at 160 days old. Reach out to the officer, reach out to admin, reach out to whoever you can to see, hey, was there a video created? If so, where is it? Was it not created? What's going on? Let's regroup in a week, get a solid answer so we know how we can move forward. Let me make, again, a last ditch effort to see what they cannot recover, and then
Yeah, that's why
I understand, I get it.
Some guidance on how to properly address it with my client.
I understand, absolutely, but I want to know 100% that they either have it, lost it, never created it, and we'll go from there. So let's do a week. I'll waive the appearance in that time, and then in the interim, are they approved? Are they
Well, I think
PTI?
Sean's also gonna look, we outlined again like 4 bullet points of why we don't think there's a PC as well.
Got it, okay. In the interim, let's say just everything falls apart. Or do they need a mitigation pack?
They would not, no, Judge.
No, okay, all right, we'll see you in a week. Thanks. Are you ready? Hey, good morning, Mr. Boris.
Correct,
Correa, with a C, right?
yes. So this is the Pasadena case, they just released on discovery this morning. So-
Dope. Okay, so we'll give you a couple weeks.
To
Yes,
review all the
absolutely, yeah.
discovery.
Okay.
Good.
But it's getting old. At the next setting, be ready to let us know where you want to head toward.
I understand.
Okay.
But it's not on.
Well, then
and it's
come-
not on them either, it's just.
Then come to me earlier and I will put pressure on them. If you come to me at 100, I don't care if it's Punka City. If you come to me at 140 days and they don't have anything, I'm gonna give them a deadline,
Fair.
you know? Yeah. Okay. Keely.
Hey, good morning, Judge.
Hi, good
Can you
morning.
hear me all right?
Is that
Hey,
a
good
jail
morning.
case?
No, he's on docket. He should be under Y or O. He's got 2 last
Okay.
names. Or
You
sorry, O or C. Ospina Calderon. The case is, I want to say the case is still very new, less than 30 days old.
Yeah,
We're still missing 911, and I saw that the state attempted a RIP,
but
the CW is a Spanish speaker, so they will need to get a translator to conduct the RIP. Judge, so if you'll recall, you had us come back and had his appearance not waived because you wanted him to resubmit a financial affidavit. I'm not sure what the status of that is. I'm not in the courtroom, obviously.
I'll
but
call
I
him up
don't-
here
I
in a
don't
second.
know.
Yeah, there's some certificates, you know, published from all the way around. It's all. Yeah, like Green Shield means it's viewable by you, it was released 3/19. Yeah. You see that there's anything going on. Yeah. So that'll load up. So you see, you said, you're applying for two. Yeah. Well, anyone. Yes, they could. Very. Anyway, okay. Okay. No, I mean, we can work something out. Okay. All right. Unlisted fishery versus here's like a little bit of y'all always look at since they're always leaving the voice to make like those are the guys. Mr. Chad? It's what? All that stuff. Yes, you had a chart that.
Hey, Luis, I'm gonna need to borrow you for 1 second.
Martina?
Ospina Calderon. Huh? He didn't check in. Got it. He didn't check in.
Judge, I am texting him and I sent him a reminder. I told him I was going to appear
Just
virtually.
be
Let me reach out to
careful.
him.
Be careful, Keely, you know?
Driving, yeah. Let me reach back out to him, Judge, but he should be there. He's perhaps in the hallway. Let me just reach out to him briefly. Judge, Judge, I am circling back on Mr. Ospina. It appears that there was a misunderstanding. He's not in court today. If we could have him rolled over to tomorrow, I can be there in person and approach with you.
He knows exactly what happened, what he wants, no.
Judge, like I said, the misunderstanding was on my end.
It's not a
I see the text
misunderstanding.
messages.
No. It's not. But just go and we'll see if he shows up and then I'll reach out to you if he does.
Okay, I am reaching out to him now, see if he can make it to court before you wrap up docket. But I do have good contact with him. I see the text message thread where we informed him that we thought he had been reset to June. So that was really on my end, not on him. Thank you, Judge.
I guess just, yeah, I'm revoking his bond though. So,
Okay, give me a second, Judge.
yeah. Okay, I guess we'll reach out to you or just let me know.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
All right. Have a safe drive.
Thank you, Judge.
Bye. Mr. Bailey, yeah.
And the judge, I
Hey.
have Mr. Gilbert on your docket. I know you've only come in a little bit late, right? So please let me finish. I'm sure the court knows.
I remember. He's refusing to do it. Yeah. Okay.
That's right, Your Honor. He is, I don't know exactly, right? So maybe the court can provide help. So with previous time served, he got, I understand. He does have, all right, they go, we've got around 70 days. So he's working on that maximum.
How many days it cost?
70 around.
No.
Don't.
Salem. Yeah, last. I think Salem's around. Let me go. He does have 6 Okay, well, I didn't know he had that much time. Okay, so I guess do,
Are we okay?
yeah, do 150 credit for both.
Okay.
That should be sufficient. Yeah,
Thank you.
okay.
I appreciate it, Mr. Hart.
I didn't realize, I thought he had,
He didn't fit that. Thank you.
hi, good morning, Mr. Jaworski.
Last name McClung, man. Villarreal.
Okay. Where we headed?
I've got the discovery. It's a real weird factual situation. And, I must set up the trial.
Okay, so I'm happy to do that, but I don't want to get here 45, 6 days later and, oh, now I want to do something
No,
different.
you-
So we said it, we're gonna go. Villarreal, come up.
Council for recess?
Mr. Villarreal, I have enough drama in my life. I don't need any more, really. If you want to set it for trial, I'm happy to do it, but today's your plea bargain deadline. Once we set it, you will go to trial kicking or screaming. I don't care. I'm not going to accept any more plea bargain agreements after today. I don't want everybody to have to prepare for trial, bring a jury, and then, oh, you know what? I want to plead guilty. It's not going to happen. You said it, happy to do it, but you will go to trial. I don't want you to make a decision out. You guys can speak. make a decision, but if we set it, you will go. No more plea bargains, agreements after this, after today. All right? Okay, you guys make the decision. Let me know. If you want to set it, just go talk to Ramon and we'll set it.
Okay.
All right? Hi, Corey. What's up, man?
I have, 10 homes.
Okay,
I'm over 178 days old.
yeah. Where do you want to go? Where are we going?
So, we're waiting on some restitution information to plan. I'll be frank, this is not, I haven't been pushing her to get this information. I've been tied up with.
But you don't have to. They should be doing it regardless.
I'm just trying to be collaborative.
And she said that their reviews were covered by insurance, but she did have.
I know, but she still has a deductible.
Yeah, and I've asked her to send me the deductible. She hasn't sent it to me yet.
So do this. Let's do a week and go, you can either give it to me within the next reset. If not, we're going forward and you get nothing. But we're not going to wait. It's 180 days. You either get it now. It takes literally all of 2 seconds to send a damn email. So next week, if it's not here, that's it. Do you have an offer on the case?
I have an offer pending restitution probation offer.
Okay, so have an offer ready to go by the next setting. Let's have your client here, make a decision, and we'll go from there.
Can I give him, because with his work schedule, can I give him more than a week's notice on you need to be in court? We do a couple.
Sure, sure. 2 weeks, let him know he's got to be here and we'll go from there.
Understood.
Okay.
Thank you.
Judge, what's this? You think of a trial?
Yeah, next setting is clear trial. They're getting a restitution amount. They don't have it yet, so. Hi, Dan, you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. So I'm here today, I'm covering a case. The defendant's name is Marcus Oliver. He was in a arraignment setting today. Now, he was arrested on the 6th of this month, and he spoke with our law firm on the 8th. When he spoke with our law firm, he met with an intake attorney who's primarily out of Boston, who gave us incorrect information that if he hired us and we filed a notice of appearance, he wouldn't actually be present. That is.
Oh, he needs to be here.
So I know he needs to.
So he's not here.
He's not here. He's in Maine. And
No.
I know.
Not good. So I tell you what, I'll give you until Monday. It's got to be here by
Can
Monday.
we give him 2 weeks, Judge? That's what
No,
we did.
no, it's a DWI and he needs conditions. It's got to, I'm not giving him 2 weeks. He knows, he has a piece of paper that tells him that he's supposed to be here.
I understood, Judge, but it is our.
Pick a
call
day.
that we-
I get it. Pick a day next week. Let him know he's got to be here. If he's not here, then, all right.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, it was someone else. It's someone else. It's not me. Hey, Dan,
Yes, Judge.
he has a Houston address here.
Right, Judge. So I have an employment letter. So he works for an industrial company and he's on a project in Maine and he can.
Do you have proof that he's actually there now, that he's
So I have-
employed there?
I can show you this, this is from his employer. We have him to send, some verification from his employer. So this is from Stronghold Company is where he works. And this is the letter that they sent or everything. Send. It'll be- if you-
Okay,
And so he told our office that he gets his paycheck in 2 weeks and he can come down and
no, but look at this criminal history, man. It's, I mean, dangerous, extensive, a week. He's got to be here within a week.
I understand your honor.
Yeah.
And the only reason that it's our fault, but
Well, and whoever told him this should know better. That you never override a court order. as a lawyer, you can never override a court order. I mean, it's,
Understood, Judge. I know practices are different in some counties, but I understand what you're saying.
and it's just you just need to be here the first damn setting. That's all you got. That's all we need. I'm not asking, you know what I mean?
I think if you would spoke with someone in Houston, they would be here. This is where we are. I'll tell him he has to leave.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
Hi. Hey, Clyde. What's up, man?
Mr. Lucky.
Yeah, I saw it. So where are we with the PTI?
Everything's set to go.
Okay.
They don't want him into the program until he has the restricted driver's license.
I'll grant it for you now,
Okay.
but he's going into the program, correct? Got it. Okay,
Everything's turned in, it's all done.
okay, I'll grant it for you.
Okay.
Yeah, just, she'll bring it out and then I'll sign it.
Okay, do I need to go talk to her?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Just, email her.
Got it.
16, 17.
Okay,
253
okay.
7686.
What do you pick up? Oh my God. It's aggravating.
It was against his ex-girlfriend's next. The
10.3. Yeah. Thank you for letting me know. Hi. Yes. Wow, it's been a while. How are you, Sylvia? How are things?
I just came for a WIP to make it on myself. It was
Sure.
But I just wanted to say hi.
Great to see you. Yeah, yeah. Are you working on a different floor or where? No more?
I'm doing a little bit more of immigration. Probably I'm going to try picking up some more felonies. The mic thing.
I get it.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I don't see you that often, but it's always nice to be.
Yeah, yeah. Well, great to see you.
Good to see
Yeah.
you too, sir.
You too.
Bye.
Take care. Hi, Kobe. How are you, man?
Mr. Desmond Lundy today, he's actually outside, he's on practice, not been bringing him, to see him. Just on the docket, because you're going into your jobs, we're kind of come back with an update on that. Couple things, Mr. Lundy's a little bit special, any jobs that he would do, probably be kind of manual labor type jobs. He's been, still got some medical records from oil harming, he's had severe gout, he's a gout sufferer. I understand if you gotta do manual work, that's gonna make it hard. What we did do, because he hasn't gotten a job, we tried to apply and like hired him. We got him into a GV program, seen that.
Wonderful.
So he's working on that. I told him, at least that would give him another, maybe get a job if he completes that. So I've seen that, he's registered, his brother comes up here, work with him a lot, I mean, work with his brother, getting in classes. So he's doing that with the hopes that once he finishes the DV, you know, he can a job. So we had hoped that that would be sufficient. 'cause
That's
he's been
good.
doing something.
Good. I'm happy that he's doing that. That's nice. Just tell him to keep it up and I want to see the light at the end.
I'm working with him, trying to get him to.
I understand. I trust you.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Thanks, friend.
Procedural.
Hey.
You have one, when I ran with the.
I did. She made us start.
They have another case that has a 700. I think all of them.
Yeah. Sure. Let me check on that too.
Hi, Joe.
We should have a penny balance. Yeah, just trying to make sure that. Here, here's that. So I got to refile. So I got a text from the lawyer that they were refile.
Oh, that's what just.
I think that's what that's gonna be. Which is why I'm gonna sell this because of.
Okay.
Okay, let me check and confirm that, but that's my understanding.
Check and talk to us. Okay, it was covered in the sign. This was. Lovely. And then a few things.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was an accident. You know, yes.
Did they tell us the restitution?
No, it's okay.
But she didn't tell me.
That's how much they. No, I think it was good. But it's. Follow up with her.
Legally, if I have to focus that in. No.
Check it out. It's gonna send me.
In here or she wrote that? Okay. DWI. I said for a bet. So the whole time. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like the bottle drink.
Yeah, there's one small part. Water runs in the house. It's spraying. It's all the same. I was really not coming this year. Hopefully they do not.
Here, I'll take the fine.
I want to introduce you to one of my new colleagues, Mr.
Hello, hi, nice to meet you. Pleasure. Are you interpret as well?
Interpret.
Oh, great. Nice to meet you. Yeah, you're in good hands.
Well, as a matter of fact, Lisa and I have worked together, and also we attended classes together online, the continuing interpretation.
Oh, nice. Great.
Active participants. Right on.
Like the Pope, he speaks like 7 languages.
Wow.
Yeah, but I only interpret in Spanish, English because of the complexity of the task. So I don't know how to say motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim in German, for example. In Spanish, I could use that writing.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Más importante, no, por the país. You know why they're the most important? Okay, if you defend the culprit, he's the one for, okay. Source coding.
I think this is. Does he have? And more time for.
Judge Member.
Sure.
They're saying that one of the two boxes needs to be checked, that.
Sure.
I don't know which one. I mean, it says to whoever finds, I'm not saying that he's either going to come to say. He, tells me he's schizo, but he's on medication. I just have serious questions about.
I'll do it for you then. Don't worry.
I just.
Yeah, I'll take care of it for you.
I don't want to.
He's currently in custody?
He's in custody, $2,500 bond.
I remember him. Yeah. Okay, I'll take care of it.
Okay, thanks. Judge.
Thank you. You got? Wow. What's up? I feel you. Did you ever follow that, the Murdoch murder case out of South Carolina, where he was accused of the wife and the son? They just overturned the murder conviction today. Yeah.
Wow.
He's still serving a 40-year sentence because, he's a lawyer who admittedly, I guess, took from clients and they charged him federally and got a 40-year sentence. But I don't know if they're going to try him, but they just overturned the murder conviction, which is huge because that was.
Yeah, my daughter watched that special.
Yeah, I did too. It was just, my wife and I did too. And I think.
That's amazing.
Yeah, but I guess the clerk had a profound impact, what they said on the jurors. So we'll see if they redo it, Because I don't know, on a federal sentence, how much do you do? Do you do 2/3? What, I don't know. Yeah, yeah.
I've been over there. What's that?
Clyde, does she have the documents she need me to sign?
There was one typo and she's fixing that. And it's all.
Okay.
She said she'd be right back.
Yeah, and this is the court
We're just laughing because you have a. I was in trouble with Margaret Harris, so just smiling like that, you might not be held in contempt.
I know, I know.
I like.
I tried, you know what? I tried 3 cases with her and I almost got a fair trial.
Yeah.
I tried cases with, oh man, I did all of them.
Yes.
The one I really didn't. I'm live streaming, so we'll talk about it later, but there was one particular judge that I tried a case in front of him, like mid-trial, he just starts helping the opposition and just saying, well, this is how you need to do this. Is like in the middle of the trial, I'm like, what? What? But other than that, I mean, I always got.
I had a song.
But everyone else, I really had a great experience with, you know, always fair, except for that one, but.
Ideally, yes.
She always gave me first call, and I don't know if you should be honest.
Oh, wow.
She was.
You were around that?
Yeah.
Wow. How long have you been practicing? 30 years?
Well, yeah, about.
Wow.
Defining sections.
I guess I started right when maybe she had gotten elected. Or maybe she had done one term and then, I didn't start till early 2000. That's when I started. So I don't, I mean, she was on here at least 20 something years. I don't know. But
Yeah, they thought balls were the same.
thanks.
Right, that or start hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, is discovered.
Yeah.
Guys are looking offers.
Well, there's going to ponder everything we get, including the certificate of IOP. We're like putting the marinade on the meat.
Okay, how is June 23rd and the 25th?
June 23rd is good.
All right, it'll be a wait if it's.
All right, let's do
Yeah.
Do we know anyone in trial? Is anyone in trial? Do you know? Yeah. Remember Marcelo wanted to know if anyone was in trial?
Oh, I'm not sure if there's going on anywhere else.
I'm not opposed to one of the guys, big one, he's gonna approach, and most of the property, Roberts, not the gun forfeiture, not working so. Now.
Yes.
Your Honor, may I approach very, very quickly?
Hey, Michael.
So I'm here on a motion to restore and I'll fix this thing. Whenever you're ready, I'll do it. So
Yeah, yeah.
2617-634, and that's for Robert or Stephen Robbins,
2617.
634.
Okay.
I believe the state is unopposed to the return.
Does he have proof that he had bought the gun?
He bought it from Spring Guns and Ammo.
Right, but does he provide proof?
I can get a receipt.
Yeah,
Let me
because
see.
I've given a gun back before and it went back to the wrong person and it was a complete and utter nightmare.
I understand.
So if I will grant it for you, but I need just to
Let me
know
get
that
that.
it's
Let me-
actually his, that he
It is,
bought it
yes.
with the serial number matching, and then, yeah, I'm happy to give it to you.
No
But yes, I will.
Let me give him a call and get that
Sure.
receipt real quick, and
Yeah.
I'll
Of course.
that to the state. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah. Say it again. 2 and 4? Great. Awesome, thanks.
Yeah, this one. Sorry. Not like. They're all three different. Oh, no. Oh, right. There'll be a list of parents who respond to them.
So I was told it's only one area, so there was the key to like that. The new dollars and this. That's it. I wish I got. Looks like if you haven't paid this year, I was just getting the refile has been. No, so you know, we got all those others that we're kind of waiting on gravity. It's all now it's all case. So. Although, you know, our list of whatever now. That's the problem. That maybe can. Just thought it was the way they did it, that makes sure I had it. I mean, but I was sued, how old is this was that? Maybe. Like, the hell, Laurie, this business, you know, get good out.
Yes.
Yeah, but he's. I think it's all the same. So what? Either the. Maybe not. You refile it, it's down here. She's told by the building lawyer, they never discussed it. But it looks like it's probably not dismissed yet. Yeah, sometimes they. Oh, you're waiting until it actually is filed here. They're dismissed. They have to get some to track. Yes. But they're gonna dismiss on like a issue. Probably gonna find out now. $30,000. Oh, you want it? Okay. I make sure we don't do it. So, my understanding. That's the way. The hours now. Okay. 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 Thank you. There. Okay.
Yeah. It's very important. I don't think it's my fault. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. What are you looking for? Big shit.
Best friend, law that.
She knows that
Prior to his tax sold.
certain expectations about it. Yeah. All right. We got a question on that. Sometimes they should bond, that's just supposed to go all the way. They bond. Old shit. So, yeah. A long way to say, yeah.
I think these two plays that. I think her attention is still. She doesn't. They're on the lady Missouri.
Your Honor, very, very quickly, I have the receipt and his name is.
Yeah. Did you verify it's the same serial number in the gun?
I just got those emails now, Judge. I have looked over.
Can you check real quick?
Yes.
As long as they can verify it, I'm cool.
The serial number is on the.
Michael, if it matches, I'm cool. Okay, just I want them to be able to. What's up? You have someone else?
So I have Miss Granberry.
In jail or bond?
She's in jail. There's a summons. We had a felony impeding breath that looks like it's going to be dismissed. They have refiled it as a misdemeanor and done that via summons. They're in custody just because she hadn't made bonds on any of her cases.
Okay.
But there won't be those felony bond conditions because that case is going to be going away. And so we'll be dealing with it as just an.
We need to set a bond then.
So you'll need to, well, I guess if they've done it via summons, that was my question. Is it?
The thing is that.
Transfer the bond? Like,
Well, no. The thing is that, yes, theoretically, we don't have to. But if she does bond out,
Sure.
if she ever gets pulled over, an officer ever stops her, it's going to show, it's going to look like,
I understand.
you know?
Yeah. And so I'm happy to have that conversation. So a couple of things to know about her. She does have a total bonds for all the other cases because there's $10,000 in the VPO.
Yeah.
And so $40,000, she had never made that. Her parents were from Memphis and they were trying to get that together. Obviously, I'd leave it to you as to what kind of bond you wanted to set. I do think she'll be able to bond out now if it's not something like $40,000.
No, I'm not going to say that obviously at 40 grand, but
Sure.
for at least 5 grand, I think
I
would
was
be
gonna ask for
sufficient.
$5,000 bond.
Yeah. What do you think? Are you okay with it?
I think 5,000.
Okay, so let's set it at 5,001, 2, 3, 4, 5,005. I need, and then Veronica, can I have a PSR, please?
And then in terms of bond conditions, just so you know, she has no problem not having any contact with this woman. We won't like.
Yeah, so, right, who is the CW in the case?
It's her ex-girlfriend.
So no contact, we'll put a GPS prior to release, no going to where she lives, works. Alcohol, dope, and, okay, cool. Well, she's there now.
She's in.
We'll bring her out momentarily once we create everything, have her sign it, and then, yeah, you're good. So just whatever day you want. I don't care, whatever you want.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Pre-trial judge? Or is that your state?
No, it's pre-trial, because she can be monitored. Yeah, okay, have fun.
That's so.
We had a 40 car on there.
Yeah.
They supposed to, so. Thursday.
So that can become. Yes.
Hey, you know, I was thinking, what probably be prudent too is to do a TRAS, just to see how to go forward, what's going on with your life, we can expedite it, get it done as quick as possible. That way she's just not singing, but lingering. And then maybe within the next week or two, we can try to, so she doesn't just sit there, Yeah, okay.
Veronica, is it for all? She already has
It's on the VPO. Yeah, I'd like to also add it on the AFM in the event that there's an issue,
Problem with that, OR not being available, so they're gonna confirm.
Okay, you want tomorrow?
I'm going out of town tomorrow, but I'll be
You can
back.
Zoom.
Oh, that'll work.
That's why we have it.
That'll work.
Just to make your life easier, Michael.
All right, no problem.
Just for your ease and comfort and access.
You know, I like coming in. I'm an old fashioned kind of guy. I wish they'd see back paper files.
No, no. I mean, really, I mean, how many trees are we gonna kill, right?
You
When,
know,
no.
this is the myth of American forestry. We actually have more trees today than we did in 1900. So, you know, and we also get very
But
little.
that doesn't justify,
We
does
also
it?
get very little of our oxygen from trees. Most of it actually comes from the ocean, from algae and plankton.
I have a lot in my pool, so
I mean, I do.
I'm giving you
I
a
do-
ton of oxygen
I
right now.
do like oxygen. It is like on my fourth or fifth favorite. All right, thank you,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
bye.
Sam, take care.
Yeah. You follow these policies.
Yes, that's what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
You know, I would love to see.
Você gostou? Você fala assim, que isso é uma
You all, yeah, it's just that, back in this year, talk about the unedited days, and that's our time. Back in like,
All right, you should be good. Should be good. Running into contract, so check with everybody else involved. But you're good on mine. Okay.
So litigation order has been filed on this.
Great, we'll sign it.
Once I get this, this is another one. It's gonna be set date.
I guess.
So they try to do this from far. Even photos. Reads. Yes, sir. That's up.
Yeah, there's a.
We're doing the. Yeah. No, no, no. Yeah. What's the details? Okay.
You like.
Very good.
July, okay. Yeah, sold on RDA's, okay. You are looking for. Okay. Yeah, involved also decent. Let me talk to you again. Conversation. Is how we usually go. Yes, right. It's how let me speak to the on our days, but I mean, those kids like.
So much to ask for internet that freaking works. I mean, what the flip? I mean, give us our own damn network. I can't even connect. God. It's like we're the Flintstones here. It's really.
Was he boss? He was. He's like. He does somewhere else.
Another state, another county.
Yeah, it's the, where we began that. No, it's, I like you. Yeah. What are?
Oh, and he's in Ghost, Ag, recently.
But if he's still there, Galveston is not Galveston, he's in the process. We're here in Brookstown. I don't know if Bond is there or what happened, I don't represent Galveston.
Mr. Bella.
We represent, yeah, numbers. There's what school? They from? You're so. Well, my original argument too, it sounded like a great function, something else.
Okay.
But if there's. Oh, you took it for.
Second.
That's in Orient.
Yeah.
They've already. Let's see. One on the first, here, blue one. Oh, God. But I would already, I won't be able to prove this all day. And then when this started, an officer, I don't know, because it's civilian.
Not a lot.
You have to find this really from a problem with this.
No, it's this. What did you, wait, he does not.
Yeah, I'm not before that.
Oh, this one.
This one's also from this one.
That was Procedural.
Maybe was it Resorted that it filled in instead of Galveston?
Yeah, it's probably.
Yeah.
Oh, you just. All right, fine.
Excellent.
It was like, file and dismissal. So.
How about or not?
No, that's not, no.
You do request a complaint witness one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then you have a second one. That's-
Thank you.
Or do we approach?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Gilbert, you're charged with two cases. You're charged with trespass and criminal mischief. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. The agreement that you have worked out is 150 days on each of your cases with 74 days credit. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty on each of the cases. I'll sentence you to it. Okay, please see the clerk. Got it. Stuart,
Yes, sir.
just give me your cell phone. If you're waiting for someone, just give it to me and then I'll reach out to you. Oh, okay. All right. If you're waiting something here, just give us your cell phone. Just
I'm
go.
on intake today, so I was.
That way you don't. Okay. All right.
How you doing today, Jeff?
Good. Any day we're here with you, you know? Yeah.
All right. You got another hand in the county. Okay. You have a problem?
Yeah, you think?
Me, I'm the bond hand. Straight. 1952 324. See that, Bob? What's up? Want to be? Okay. Hey.
So I'm looking at the Indian federal market, he's failed down to the underscores, he's failed to below several times. Failed to do outpatient, this, got a lot of things, violations, so he's still for the MRP. What is he, I mean, if he's been in custody for a minute, how much credit does he have? He'll probably resolve his case with depending on what credit he has. It's all marketing. Yeah, might work out better for him. That way he's not on probation. I'll look at it. You'll all be happy. See if he likes your idea, but you're fine. Thanks. So, 70. Felony case, he's got 100 before he's not paid. So. It would be a suspension if you get fired. I assume your guy he paid his bond on the probation case. Probably bonded out. He's supposed to technically get credit for the time he's been. Possibly because he was charged February 14th. Solution was filed.
Yeah, but the bottom, they're never funded out, Social Security officer. So, it's got. Right. Yeah, we would just, the Fleischer, she's okay with that. Okay, all right. Those are. Oh, that's actually fully functioning. Okay. Yeah. I just have a passing appeal. Ground guard. Let's see, driver safety course. Yeah. Okay. I will have him do that. Thank you. Ralph Darden, if you not on each, Ralph Darden. Darden, yeah. No, I don't think I can. Yeah, I'm sure. Is there? Yes. Did it take you one more time? So, we have a great show. They shouldn't be off. They operate separately or you like.
Yeah, I'm not ready.
Last the appeal. I don't know why he didn't show up today. I don't know if there was a mix up with the office.
Are you representing him?
Yeah.
Did you file it?
No.
How would you get appointed on a class
I didn't get
two?
appointed. I never.
You retained them.
Attorney I work with does them and then he contracts with me.
Okay.
Handle it.
What's the last name?
Darden.
What's the last name?
Darden. D-A-R. But he, for some reason, is not here today.
Yeah, that's no good.
Yeah, I know.
I guess pick a day later this week for him to appear,
Friday,
SFBF. Sure.
tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't care, whatever
I'm here
day,
both
but
days.
if he's not here, then tell him it gets revoked.
Okay, what day do you want?
I don't care. You
Friday.
choose.
Friday.
Whatever you want.
I'm gonna try to have him do this. Okay. Well.
Yeah. All right, you have anything else?
And, yeah, man. Luckily, I have other stuff. Okay. Yeah.
Due to the plans of discoveries complete and thinking of the okay, so. Actually. Look through it.
Is that possible? I mean, I have mentioned. Oh, yeah. Just an approach. Think about it. Just an approach. Have you approached Judge?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Hey.
Nicholas Roberts, are you down here?
Jail?
No, here's the.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So there's a ton of surveillance videos in this case, Your Honor, we're just still working our way through it, so I just wanted to approach them. I think there might
Is
be.
discovery complete?
It looks like it is complete. I'd have to look through all the discuss. We have a bunch of videos in and have to look through and make sure they have all the surveillance.
My co-counsel thought there might be one phone video missing that I don't see, but I haven't made my way through everything.
Got it. I mean, you're at 150 days. You only get one more setting.
Yeah, I
That's
think
it.
this is only our second setting, we just started off. So I think you might have.
I get it. It's still pretty old.
No problem.
Let me see. When did you guys? Yeah, you've been on it since February. Okay, I'm gonna give you another 30 days, but at that setting, he's gotta be back. Put an offer on the case and just be ready. Okay?
Thank you, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
As what is, what kind of, we're gonna change the
This is one of
Okay, so that's the last time in these case. We start paying, you, it is or receive. Let's say that happens several times. Trying to get attorneys.
I didn't want to let.
Yes, that's very. Yeah, if you ever see. Yes, yeah, there's a super new one, right? Walmart, there, that's still there now. What we need that, it needs. But the thing that's so this is, I just said that the pocket of the writing down is going to stale. Or that is separate.
We have to. Oh, there's one. That always say that way. I do that's what you do. Oh, I think it's- I would need more.
Yeah, there's one, the hair transplant, but it's still who's 61?
Yeah.
79.
Yeah, it's not.
You
don't understand me, it's different days. Oh, okay.
It's in a lot. I'm in society. There's further out of the just. Okay.
Yeah. Do they charge you that?
Hey,
Good morning, Your Honor.
what's up?
I'm gonna see if I can move an arraignment. It's not a DWI. I have it tomorrow until Monday.
What is it? What's the cost number?
Constitution.
What's your cost number?
It is 2618793.
Yeah, I'm down.
Thank
It's
you,
okay,
Your Honor.
for sure.
I have to be in Fort Bend. I don't know how long.
Don't worry
I'll
about
be
it.
there.
You're good.
Thank you, sorry.
No, don't worry about it.
Thank you, I appreciate
These
that.
steps, you almost. And they all are. Everybody got.
I think it's all.
Yeah, like they sometimes like.
Let's take it. Okay, I'll put it on.
And we got the DWI?
So the DWI is game more focused and one last came back, so he was pretty ornery, aggressive with the officers. I think he got me. Not sure if you'll be able to push back on it.
Yeah.
But we do this at this meeting, just for the last thing that we do 7 PAC. Very but also we need to look up and Colorado was. And there's this 5 acres or higher. And it is, I think, 2 down.
Well, he's got a 33.
That's the residual. Stage. He's going after the site. Absolutely good.
What compounded with alcohol in the blood and benzo.
Well, I think, and I think they're not that this is he takes a well, you know, from the bar and you know, it's very nice.
I guess the argument is to get not get straight.
That's what it was getting years ago.
Yeah. One of the they actually say for this, for the week after.
What is your solution?
Ideally, so. But I also know we can keep going.
All right.
One thing you had said, I think she told us that.
And then the last thing, just gonna be.
If I, Sean, did you see?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. He's a ghost, man. Yeah. Okay. That's.
Always see. Like tremendous.
That's a lot.
Today I got the fiction back. They thought I got it and said about.
I heard some of those kids, he says, they put their fortunes out, it's hurry, burn, and it's like, just, yeah, and it's literally all of like a minute.
Yeah.
Burn and listen.
If you want, you got no reason. We don't do that. We get from side. I used to have south end law. Not much now. Almost not legal. Captain carry.
Just the states, they're looking up there, maybe I'll judge it, I'll get it.
They come out. Like I said.
There's some JPs, not like. Some of them.
Is it, I know. I know, right?
And so we put the kids. A lot of times we're doing a job, so they'll put the eviction machine. You know, a lot of times, a lot of people. Even like from me, y'all want to tell them, y'all come over,
Oh, great. Yeah. Ooh, that's, yeah, that's burning up.
Yes, it is.
I say, yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Hey, Carl, what's up?
Yeah, I mean, if you're ready.
I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready when you are. Yeah.
You give me a right.
Right. Good morning, Ms. Taylor. Ma'am, you charged with theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. Was there any restitution that's owed?
Only about that, Judge.
Do you know, is there any restitution that it's owed?
No, Judge.
All right. You're, so like I said, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You need to understand something extremely important, that this, what you're doing now is you're making a lifetime decision where this theft will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. I don't know how many thefts that you have, but if you have another one, and now you have this one, that makes two. A third, you're looking at a felony offense, years instead of days. Do you understand?
Yes.
Not only that, you pick up another case in here, you're looking at 90-day at a minimum. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, then you can never take this off. You understand? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of theft? Guilty or not guilty? Where is this from?
Old Navy.
Okay. All right, ma'am. I'm going to find that there's enough to go forward, find you guilty, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, ma'am. Please see the clerk. All right. Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Hey, what's up?
Mr. McDaniel, you got?
Okay.
Judge, it's PTI, but I think yours in Louisiana, and so the terms are a little bit different, and I need to reach out to Cheryl.
But it's 266 days.
I understand, they sent us an email saying they let him on, portable devices, he goes offshore. But then they said he's got something as a driving affidavit, and he hasn't valid license, rather than 2 devices or.
Sure. Fine. I'll pick a day next week, whatever day you want. But
I understand, but I just gotta get that page.
Okay.
Make sure it gets done by next week.
all right. Victoria, on top of 14, one week must appear. Yeah, okay. Hey, Bo, what's up, man?
Good morning, Your Honor. How you doing?
What's up?
Not much, Your Honor. I just have one client on your docket. It's Kenneth Aparicio Franco. I was just saying, if I could get a reset on him, please. It's in the early stages still.
Yes, you're at 170 days though, so we got to know where we're heading.
We'll be working this out soon, Your Honor.
You don't know PTI or do you want a PTI?
I got to see if he'll qualify because there's some other circumstances with it. So I'm going to check with him if they will accept it.
NCIC real quick. I'm gonna figure it out for you right now, Bo.
Yes, sir.
Based on the facts.
Yeah, but no, look at the history, if there's any criminal history. I think that may be the issue.
Does have a PCS from last year out of Hallettsville.
Is that it?
That's it.
So I don't think you have any, well, I don't want to say, but is he, what do you think?
Because he has the open case, Your Honor, in Hallettsville. It's a PCS.
Yeah.
It's open, and then the accident. So that was just my biggest
Oh,
concern.
it's currently open.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
That would be John Lawson.
No. Okay.
we're talking about Aparicio.
Okay, what were you talking about?
He has an open PCS in somewhere else.
Okay, do we know if it's in Bridgeport? It's in Hallettsville.
It's in Hallettsville.
I see. I don't know where that is.
Yeah, me neither.
It's like an hour southwest of San Antonio.
Okay.
What is your opinion on PTI?
I mean, I consider anyone. Is he in custody in that place?
No, he's on bond. He's a college student at Texas State.
Okay.
So maybe you need a mitigation packet then?
I definitely need a mitigation packet. I'll consider him. Did he pick up that case while on bond?
Yeah.
Okay, so have to be a really good mitigation packet.
I understand.
Typically, if somebody's picking up criminal cases while they're on bond,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't have a good feeling
So
about.
regardless, though, you're at 166 days, so I'm gonna set you off for 2.5 weeks. And then
Okay.
he's got to be here at the next setting. If you want to apply for PTI, he's got to have everything done.
Yes, sir.
And then he's got to submit it by the next setting. I'll give you 3 weeks.
Yes, sir.
That's it, though. At
Okay.
that setting, he either must come here, take care of it, we set up a trial, or he's got to apply for PTI and have it turned in.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Bottom of page 1. Hey, discovery's complete, right? On Aparicio? So 3 weeks. Clear trial at the next setting. If they want to apply for PTI, it's got to be submitted by the next setting. June 2nd to the 4th, Bo. You're muted.
The second, Your Honor.
Okay, it's yours.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have
Have a good
fun.
one. You too.
What day was it?
Second.
Okay, got it.
Jail credit.
I have a couple of calls numbers. Did you just? I'm the one.
Yeah, I signed your motion to
Thanks,
second.
Judge. Appreciate it.
That's it? Okay, have fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good afternoon.
Do you know 2 or 9 are in trial?
I saw it, no, you said, but that was news to me.
Me-
I think you're 10, but I think Jerry's was 24/7.
Legally, you can say. I know. It's weird.
Yeah.
So.
I just texted one. I just said again.
Also, the jurors were already signed up for
Oh, wonderful. I just texted Juanita. Ms. Harris, Ms. Harris, hi. It looks like court 2 might be going to trial soon. So if you guys have any interest. Hey,
I'm so sorry.
that's okay. Hi, Shreya.
Hi, court 3 is also about to start.
Really?
Johnson, is that, am I crazy?
That's right,
Ray's
yes.
just about to.
So if you're looking for trials, 2 and 3, yeah.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
We don't have much going on here now because it's already 11 o'clock, but,
So they were decided to meet, so I think it years ago.
oh.
Yes,
Say hi.
some of them can say they see you on TV.
Oh.
So, yeah, they just. Thank you, Your Honor.
I got it.
Thank you.
So where do you guys go to school? Where? What is the high school? Great. It's so much time. There's no responsibility with the whole thing you have to do. It's just go to school and study. I mean, really doesn't get to when you get older, life, there's so much life, get in the way of everything. There's so many things I want to do that I can't go. Obligations, I gotta work.
Let you know alcohol.
Anyways. What you do now, you pass on to the next.
It's moving it.
The more you study, the more you learn, the farther you go to school, the more this you're gonna have later in life, and you get to do fun things.
Oh, sorry.
In some, right? But rich is, it depends on what you value, right? Some people value money, some people value knowledge, some people value houses, some people value cars. I know people that have a Ferrari, but they live in an apartment. And I know people that live in a huge mansion and then they try to jalopy. So It's what people, it's what, and I know people who just work on these saving trials. They're always going to, Vietnam, they're going to, Greece, they're going to this. But it all starts where you go. The more school you do, the more you go, the better you are in life. You will always have an obstacle. Someone's going to be telling you, do this, do that, where you know that it's not a good idea, but, you're your own person, just decide what you gotta do. Here, we handle misdemeanor cases, so it can pick up to one of the lower level cases, like assault, drive, trespass, where you shoot a gun, something like this, that we come here. Anything where you're supposed to be here in jail or less, you come here. So one of our, I am one of 16 here, county criminals. There's two types of charges, felonies and misdemeanor. The difference on how much time you're facing. Anything a year or above, the felony, a year and under, it's a misdemeanor. So that's what you're doing. We have all kinds on a daily basis. We have 60, 70, maybe up to 100 cases a day. So we're really moving fast. Anyone have any questions? Anyone? No one? We have an open door policy. If you guys ever want to come, hang out, we're happy to have you. The fun days that we have here are called arraignment days. We'll have people coming on their first setting. That's usually on a Monday, on Friday, where we have the most people that come in and you get to hear what happened on the days. Whether someone's picked up in charge while on bond, or they have bond violations, and they might get in trouble or not. But there are some trials going on now. If you guys are interested in watching.
We'd like a group picture, please.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you.
Yeah. I guess it got when it's just kind of like it there.
Well, yeah, you about to do it. However you want, you tell me.
You can there.
Right here's okay?
Yeah.
It's on one side. Okay, where's the gavel, Your Honor?
Oh, right there.
May one of the students hold the gavel?
It's really heavy. Here,
Okay.
it's really heavy.
So, do we have enough room for one more student?
Sure.
Okay, one more, who's going? Okay. All right, scoot in, Fred.
This is heavy.
Okay.
It is?
All right, okay, thank you.
Come on. Yeah, sure.
There's no indication at all that people it's hard to justify.
I'll let you guys.
Okay, you all ready?
For that, I'll call them.
Okay, thank you so much.
I don't use it. Someone just gave it.
How old is that? You know?
I have no idea. But if you hit someone with it, it's gonna hurt.
They want to shake your hand, Judge Fleischer.
There's
Look at you for
the. Yeah, nice guys.
Oh, he's the other one.
Nice to meet you.
It's gonna look like wait, hold. Wait, so nice. It's gonna look like these are
Sure.
These are our
I want a picture too. Miss, I'm ready to take it on your phone.
I don't even know the Memorial Day is. It's about 2 years.
Okay, I'm using picture of the girl doing a picture. No, I'm.
There we go. Yeah, that's fine. Thanks for coming. Yeah, nice to meet you. Guys, thanks for coming. Like you said, there's a trial on Court 2 and Court 3. Those are the 8 and 4. Or you're welcome to hang out here.
I'll keep over so.
Yes, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So. Anybody tells you, you know, I saw this in the all right, yeah, of course.
We've always been to distinguish the two. You just come on, I actually not.
Yeah.
Yeah. 100% indistinguishable. You can check, both victims.
Hey, hi, Al, ready? What's up?
Your Honor, I am here with Miss Carnea Ferguson. She is here.
Okay.
The state has made a TI offer, which do you going to accept?
Let's see how old it is. Oof,
It was old.
377 days old.
She was in the room until March 6th, 2026.
Great. What did you offer?
It is a drug and alcohol awareness course of 4 hours of community service.
Wonderful. 1 week. Yeah, 1 week.
Yes, sir.
And then if she doesn't have it done, I'm rolling her day for day till she gets it done. Let her know.
Okay.
What are you thinking, stinking?
No, that's no problem. I just cleared my calendar for next week.
You can Zoom.
Yes, sir. Okay.
You can Zoom from Hawaii, man.
Okay.
We've had it,
Yes,
really.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Got it.
Your Honor, thank you for that. Yes, by the way. That was awesome.
What?
Usually.
Yeah, but I wish they would come in more often. They come in and on Wednesday, man. They've been,
They wanted to see you.
Sorry, it's up there. She called them out. Choking, they left me. My article said very excellent. So they probably last month. Truly about the way it's made, but you didn't hear. No, it's like, well, I'm glad it's like fingers in the air said how he had the vaccine. She's got, that we said, ready.
I'm done with that.
Yes.
Shreya, I just signed the dismissal.
Here you do.
Yes.
So if you want a copy.
And I'm gonna have one more plea coming in.
You said, did you say plea or dismissal?
A plea and.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
Like, Lucas, all right, so Justin, it's not done on that day, so.
Dance, action.
Bam.
I know.
Is it for a special event? Okay, so you're going to the wedding. And you're, for you for a.
But I'm just saying, right, I'm
Is the way. Cause like. All. And so. You're just, you guys are on a full check. It's just. I went to the wedding day before you guys singing day. The last, I mean, I went to it's like a series wedding, the series wedding. The groom just sang, it's nice song. But that was like, but I was comfortable. Anything past that, it's just awful.
This one, I have like 7 things. I don't know if I said, no, it's a hot.
And I really started. So I also went to a Jewish wedding. I was doing that because when they finished the ceremony, they brought everyone into the ballroom and they laid out the food. So I started eating my food. I got my plate, I put it down. And they're like, okay, now we're gonna do all the different dances. So they lifted the hair and we did the circles and all that. But I was like, hey, eat first, like, I think it right with me when I do circles. Like, I had to do circles right there. I was hungry. I'm hungry. You can't put food in the room. You're making some circles, then wait until I finish my circles before you put the food in the room. I took my bread before. But we did circles for long.
See, this one, there's the minimum, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Mhm. That's quite well.
Also, this way, there's.
Is that just the new choreography? It's not like a year.
Because there was an event for it, and that's cheap. Also, I like, sit there and all.
So then these new choreographed dances you put into the wedding are different than the choreographed dances.
Yeah. And then they run a policy.
Are you part of the wedding party?
Yeah, I was gonna.
Like you can stand up there for the ceremony. So you're not like this. Wedding. Yes, sir. I have not thought anything about that.
Yeah, speaking of which, the witchel witch, the wicked witch.
You know, all it's 30 PTI, you do that, I mean, I do those a million times. You could have done it in time like the last vote. I mean, it's just, those are the all right. There's a consequence for an action. I mean, that's what is what have the kid take the decision. The 4-year-old, no, the 22-year-old. For what? What you said, like says, you know, how we making bad decisions about. I mean, that's the defense, right? We're playing self-defense books. I mean, every assault case we ever have, there's some kind of form of self-defense, right? And so then we take the case and evaluate on a self-defense claim.
There's no reals. 100% of the cases that come in here are good. And 100% of them have to be something to do with these decisions. Giving you more right now. It shows why. So this is.
But others are some cases, and then I know there are cases, that is capable.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not there.
Oh, thank
I
you.
appreciate that. Well, we're seeing tomorrow.
Right.
Some cases, violent offense, we have to evaluate whether or not it's a good case. I have taken what you're saying, or we're talking about that person's credibility, because that has to be able to push that. Yeah. Let's think what he's doing now, and we'll go next. We need to check. Probably not. I mean, because defending his daughter because accomplished her the true. We're gonna try to keep this. Do you mind? Like, move to this.
Eric, you ready? Wait on state. Oh, that PSR, thanks. Oh, someone else. You ready? I guess Perez is with you.
President Michael, yes.
Okay.
That is gonna be.
Please. Do you need the cause number? Victoria, do you have it?
I have it, Judge.
You got it? Okay. Diana, do you have it?
I do.
You ready?
All right.
261-8533.
853.
3. On a Perez. Perez, you speak English, sir?
Yes, sir.
So you're charged with harassment. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On May 1st, officer conducted a follow-up investigation based on a report from April 11th, 2026, where officer met with a complaining witness who stated that she was in a dating relationship with the defendant and that they broke up, and she informed him that he cannot contact her in any way. The complainant stated that she then proceeded to block the defendant from all social media accounts and her phone number so he cannot contact her. And the defendant began to send her Zelle transactions, and she knew it was him because his phone number was attached to the transactions. Complainant stated that the Zelle transactions ranged from 5 cents to $20 and a written memo attached to each of them. 3 transactions, and 2 of the 3 had a memo stating that she was no longer willing to answer the Zelle messages, and that the defendant needs to stop contacting her. And then on April 10th, she received 4 transactions. April 19th, she received another transaction. May 1st, she received 4 transactions, consisting of memos typed by the defendant saying, "I'm glad you already moved on because you had nothing going for you." Quote, MAGA, quote, "Get gas because you're going to need it." Quote, "Don't send it back. Trump wants you to have it." The complainant stated that she wants to press charges because she cannot remove her phone number from her Zelle account due to the fact of it being a payment method, and she keeps receiving these messages.
Okay. Mr. Trevino, I'm going to find that Mr. Perez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. I'm entering in now what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. This is a court order that identifies Ms. Deep as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is a stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. If you violate this court order, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. I'm going to put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. This is not a revolving door. Do you understand? You're also not to be in possession of any weapons. And when I mean no contact of any kind, social media, Zelle, anything whatsoever. You do, it's just not gonna end well for you. Do you understand? So what do you think for a bond?
Judge, we would ask for a personal bond, and the alternative, if you wanted to go up, we'd ask for 500. He does have a Burns bail bond present today.
What's your position on a PR bond?
We said the 500, Judge.
Okay, I'll set your bond at $500. I'll grant you a PR bond today, Mr. Press, but I want you to understand something. Like I said, it's not a revolving door. If I have to revoke your PR bond, I'm going to raise it up and I'm going to make it extremely high. Do you understand? No means no. I don't care what your excuse is. I don't care who tells you what. I don't care what party you go to. Do you understand? I'm going to have you sign a reset. We will have you take your seat in Durbucks while we get your bond conditions, while we get your bond ready, and then we'll go from there. All right,
Over here
please.
first.
Oh, this way. Yeah, states. So no contact, no weapons, and then, yeah, the PR.
Judge, is there pretrial bond conditions?
States.
Okay.
I usually like.
All right, go ahead and sign some check.
Mr. Arnsworth. Good morning, sir.
I'm here. It's actually on an off docket matter. The coordinator told me to approach by Zoom on a case.
What's your cause number?
Cause number is 2575454. My
Hey,
client is
give me 1 second. Let me get the state. Sean, I think this is your case, actually. This is on Mr. Jones. Tell me when you're ready.
Forward sent it to me. I have it.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry, did you do a $500 PR bond or
PR bond.
surety?
PR bond.
Did you?
Yeah. Yeah.
They were here.
This one's good.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Burr.
Thank you, Judge.
Good to see you, man. Okay, what's the deal, Pickle?
okay. Judge, my client was approved for a PTI, DWI PTI program. He contacted me last week or maybe 2 weeks ago. And he can't afford to do the program and pay, I guess, his living expenses. And he wanted to see about getting out of the program and just pleading to a time served on the DWI.
I'm okay with it.
Okay.
State, what do you guys think?
Let me talk to my chief about it.
Mr. Hyde, what do you think?
That's fine, dude. Not opposed.
Yeah, I don't think anybody's opposed to it and we're all okay with it.
Okay,
Just
Judge.
probably the sooner you bring him, the sooner he gets done with it and can get everything removed and be done with it at one time. So we're at your mercy when you want to bring him, you know?
Oh, okay, Judge. Well, I'll reach out to the coordinator and see if we can get on the docket and come in and get the plea done.
Okay. Just tell me, you want to tell me, just tell me now?
You
know?
I can reach out to him if
No,
he's
okay, take your time. I thought you already knew when. No, take your
No, I
time.
don't know yet, Judge.
Whatever you want. Just email
Okay.
her and then we can put it on for when you want.
Okay. Thank you so much, Judge.
You got it. Take care.
You too. Thank you.
Did something happen on Robinson's case upstairs? What's going on with that?
No, it's pending. It's not indicted yet. It's just.
How long's it been? It's been 6 months? No.
Yeah.
They have to indict it within 6 months.
And I believe it was from February and he got charged in March.
Oh, that's right. Right. It's only, okay. So you don't want to wait to see if there's a global, I guess?
I,
Is this what he wants to
I
do?
did want to wait and Mr. Robinson wants to take this plea again.
Your advice? You want me to make a docket notation?
Yes, and he'll agree to it. He wants it.
Okay.
Yes. So, document.
He's in the driver's seat. Was there any restitution that's owed in the theft?
No, recovered. But I verify.
Okay. Well, no, if you're telling me, then
It was Target.
Okay. Is anyone from the family here now?
Yes.
Who's here?
Charles's mother is.
Or who's here for Mr. Robinson? Come up, ma'am. Are you mom? Are you mom?
She's not here. No, that's your law. I thought she said he said my mom here. The
No,
grandma.
no. You are mom?
Mhm.
So council has advised not to do this because perhaps they can work some kind of global resolution with everything. It might take a little bit more time. Mr. Robinson, that case is probably one of the worst cases that you can get on your record. Once you're branded a thief, it becomes really hard to get a job. People look down on you all the time just because they know if you're a convicted thief, there's a good possibility that you might steal from them. You understand? You don't want to wait to see if there's something global that could happen with everything?
Do you want to wait or something? You want to wait? And you don't want to take the jail sentence? Okay. Okay.
What's going on with Mr. Robinson now? And so prior to the aggravated robbery, was he living with you? What was he doing?
He was back home, he was in school, doing everything he needed to do.
What the heck happened?
It was the time period where we lost him a little. And then we got him on board, but then in that period, yeah, so this other charge was before all of this. It was, he may have already seen you, but they didn't charge him with it until the day before his court, which was March.
How do we, have you guys spoken about bonding out?
So, yeah, so the gun here is way too high. To put with the oven, so it's putting them at like 70.
I understand, right, I understand.
Right.
My problem is, and if we do a lower bond, how are we going to ensure that he doesn't pick up a fourth case?
So he had a monitor. He was never not where he was supposed to be. He was in school Monday through Friday, and he was home. I'm not gonna stay here and tell you he wasn't home and he was.
Are you working at this time? Do you work?
I work, but I get off at 5 p.m. I also have cameras. He also was under monitor. They cannot say he was not going from Travis High School back to my. So Judge, and
I don't want you to plead guilty just to get out.
And that's what he's doing.
That's the rub. I don't want you to plead guilty to get out. But I gotta know that my public is safe because I'm going to protect it at all costs. And it scares me, the things that continue to happen. Do you understand? Jail sucks. And I hope at a minimum, you will have seen all the old timers in there to see all the people that come in and out and in and out of jail that make it a lifetime. There are way too many people in this life that are just a statistic because they keep going in and out. And the problem is, when you hang with dogs, you get fleas, as you now see, because you can just be with the wrong person and you become a co-conspirator, meaning that you are part of the whole shebang, even though you didn't want, you didn't intend. Had you known, you wouldn't have gone. Nevertheless, when you hang with dogs, you get fleas. Do you understand, Mr. Robinson? How long has he been in custody now?
That's right.
The thing is that if I were to test you now, there's a very big possibility that you would test negative for marijuana or anything. I'm going to lower your bond now, but I'm going to tell you, if I find that you test positive for weed one time into jail, you will go back. And I'm telling you now, I'm not going to sit here and do this again. Do you understand? You will be given a strict curfew of school and home. No hanging out with any friends, no going to after school dances, no going to basketball, whatever, nothing. You go to school and you go home. Do you understand? Because if not, there's only one place you're going to go. And you know now, when we put a bond high, you're stuck like Chuck. Do you understand? What do you want?
Would you do?
$19,000 here, and I know that he's bond forfeited twice.
I don't want him to end up with just another conviction, just pleading guilty to get out. And I'm willing to help you, and I want to, but it has to be on both ends. I need your help as well. I can't do this alone because I don't want him just to plead guilty, to just end up with a conviction to get out. I will give you a low bond with the understanding that you and I are on the same page, that he gets a monitor prior to release. He's stuck at home. He cannot go out to parties. He cannot go out to, well, I don't know.
Judge, we just want to make sure bonds, give that permission he comes back since he didn't twice. Bond forfeited twice.
He'll have a monitor on his ankle. Why don't you guys talk, figure it out. I'm happy to do whatever works with you.
Very big. Probation offered for a year now. We'll move it as a class B. Other than that. Okay. That's good. I'll just. Okay, that's good. So let me know. Thanks. Oh. Yeah, that's not. Oh, sorry, guy, Marwa is going to just come to here. Oh, and so it's fine.
We started like more LOHR.
Okay.
Judgment approach.
Yeah.
Yes. Sounds good though. Thanks, sir.
Shreya, what do you think?
Would you consider $1,000 bond? I think it's 40 up there.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Oh, I saw 25 though.
it's 25.
Sorry, it's 25. Oh, just need $40. I don't know if they're even gonna make it, I'm gonna be honest, but they're gonna try to put together the bond money.
I'm okay with that.
1,000?
Yeah.
And that's a big hit for this guy.
Yeah, I get it. But
I understand, and we've talked about it, and we are all on the same page.
so we need proof of enrollment within a week of release.
A school?
I want him to be in school. That's
Yeah.
the point.
And he was in
So-
school, I think school ends in 2 weeks. I don't know if they'll take him for a week, but we'll try.
No, you're right. Damn
I
it.
mean, I'll try.
No. I think you're right. It's pointless to try to.
Maybe I think, and I'm still gonna talk to him about summer school and stuff like that.
So, right, come on up.
So
What do,
Travis, but it's going on, I'm not sure what they're gonna go to, he may not lose for so long.
what do we do for the summer?
So he's gonna be home, he has curfew unless he's able to get a job. Is there
That's
a
what-
way we can put him in the summer program for school, to sort of make up kind of a balance? I can reach out to the school and find out where he's at with that,
But a job may be a great idea as well, just when they have too much time on their hands, they just get into, something to occupy his time, whether school or work. And I'm willing to do the $1,000 bound on each case, only want him to be productive. That's all I want, and no marijuana. That's it. So, okay. Or just a GPS prior to release with the understanding that,
yes.
you know,
School or work.
school or work,
within-
full-time,
And
or I
I
guess-
guess Sarah's actually really good
or
on it. It
I guess
just-
part-time because
Okay.
he's young. I mean, I don't think we can expect him to work full-time, but
And it's $1,000 bond on each charge too.
yeah, I don't want him to just plead guilty to get out. Really.
That's what I appreciate.
On both cases, correct, right.
Okay, and then can I get a regular set on it? Because felony is like set for tomorrow and then after for indictment.
Absolutely.
Alright.
And then, what I would say is after that, let's start putting him on the same day.
Yeah.
So just stay in touch with, so that we can put the days on the same day, so you don't have to keep coming and going on different days. That way it's more efficient for you guys. Okay, all right, good luck, man.
Thank you, boss. Okay, got it.
Yes, like, so,
Okay, no worries. No, it's fine. Oh, that is you. You're still working. Yeah, I'm still working.
You working? Okay. No, that's. Shreya, have you ever been to a wedding where it's
Every way.
You had choreographed, how many? Are you doing that factory work?
Of course, you have to dance. I just do change.
Oh, you're like excluded from the dance.
You're otherwise you will. No, I basically know one day after they.
Do you like it though? You know it?
No.
Oh, man. Fascinating. Did anyone like it, or is it this kind of like culture that is just forced to dance? That's real good.
Yeah, he's like a little bit longer than we are. You know. That was, yeah, he was saying.
Did it make you uncomfortable? Is that what you wore for the wedding?
No, God.
Oh, I can't.
You know, all sorts of, it was a cultural change. That's on the, it's been all over.
Oh, you can Google things. I was wrong. Yeah.
So one more.
Sitting off your friend or doing it.
Hey, Victoria, you ready?
Bottom of the eight. Just put it on for it.
Yeah.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Aqua teams was it required appearance?
Yeah, 5001.
It should be available. What?
Page 21. Did council zoom on? Okay, well, they have a felony today. So
Yeah, it's gonna be a while. Yeah.
Bottom of 27. Did show up, and
For
yeah, so. She hasn't presented positive for amphetamines, but she does have prescriptions on file, so we would need to wait for the lab to confirm if it was positive.
how long is it gonna take the lab to get back?
Estimate about a week.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, so let's put it on for a week to get the lab back.
So your husband's Pakistani.
I'll let counsel know when he comes back.
Sure.
Page 29 was an arraignment, how to appear to bonds posted.
5,002.
Okay. Was it Florence? Yeah, see, that's, you always. No. You always have to put patents over the wall, which you think it happened. You this shit hate that.
It's reasonable. It's reasonable. It's not very common. This is my wife. No, seriously, I'm no, she said, "Oh, it's no, well, you're doing, I don't have to be on the, you know, you're right, well, you're awesome." No, right, no, she just. What does this, you know, don't be around. It's just like, it's like, it's also, I think, the restriction, it's because of the.
Hey, on gray, all conditions continue as they were.
Yeah. It's that you will help. They can handle it. That's because of the environment. It looks like he currently has the GPS in the script and he's compliant.
Right, okay.
All over.
Sorry, go ahead and second.
Yeah.
Ask her.
No, I don't.
And put up print it out and you
Edge. Who's?
Now, post up and then correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
Where are we headed with Miss Wall?
It's no problem, they, reset it for a week, so.
Sure. Do we have an agreement?
Oh, Ms. Wall, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, Judge. Yeah, we have an agreement for her to pay restitution, complete the anger management class, and case will be dismissed.
Great,
So
okay.
she told me she's going to get it done today.
Oh, wonderful. Well, soon as she gets done, soon as she's done, right?
So
Yeah.
she said, I gave her the restitution bill, so she's
Okay.
gonna pay that,
Great,
and she's gonna do the anger management tonight.
Yeah.
okay,
But we reset the case for her.
sure.
I have another one, Stephen Taylor, he's in custody. Really old case, he bond forfeited, he's finally back picked up. I believe he has evading and a DWI, felony evading and DWI.
Okay,
I don't know what you do in this situation.
right, I would say just give it a week or two, find out what is happening in the felony court.
I think the felony court date is in June sometime, right?
Yes, you're right. I guess set it after if you want. Yeah. Hey, so GPS prior to release on Mr. Taylor because he's a flight risk, no alcohol, no drugs. Does he have a license?
He does charge them with taking chargeability.
Wow, he has 2 prior intox mans.
2 separate.
Well, 2 counts of it at least. I got this.
It's eligible.
It's eligible? Okay. Yeah, whatever you want. If he bonds out, he's got to stay, we'll give him a GPS prior to release. Just,
He's at no bond and felony right now.
yeah, I get it. So, but they may at some point give him one. So I guess,
All right,
Yeah.
so we'll come back. to that
Yep.
after felony.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
okay, take care of him.
You too, sir.
Hi, good morning. Yes. Where are we headed with Mr. Gray?
So on him, today, he's,
The judge bond.
Yes, we're going to redo the bond conditions today.
Yes.
But nevertheless, it's 160 days, I think. If I'm, let me see, make sure. It's 160 days. So application was submitted. Was the application submitted?
Yes, Judge, it was.
Do we know? Gray?
Review it right now.
Okay. Give us about 2 minutes and we'll see. Mr. Gray, if you don't mind just taking a seat real quick.
Yes. Efficient.
Did you say he's a student?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, okay. Got it. If it's a yay, then we'll send him to go do a TRAS now. If it's a nay, we'll give you a couple weeks to you guys decide what you want to do. Okay? Do you have anyone else in that?
No, Judge.
Oh, who's gentleman back there?
Mr., he's waiting on Council Brooklyn. But it's not.
No, okay, sit down. Okay.